For today's video, I will be doing a ring light unboxing. Ito yung ring light and ito yung tripod. And a lot of people have been asking me where I got my ring light because I posted this photo on Instagram and yun, ang dami nagdi-DM sa akin, so I decided to make a video. I actually opened it already and I just put it inside a box to show you. And if you want to know where I got it, how much, and what they look like, just keep on watching. For the actual ring light, it came in this box. Ito siya. Yan. It is a 10-inch ring light. Usually, yung 4, 5, or 5,000 pesos, yun yung 18-inch ring light. But this one, I got for 950 sa Shopee. I paid a total of 972 because I used my Shopee coins, tapos meron ding shipping fee. Yan. And, ayan lang siya. Tapos, dito mo lang lalagay yung sa tripod. Tapos, USB plug-in siya. So, usually, what I do is plug this on my power bank para mag-light up. Hindi mo na kailangan ng charger or ng battery. So, parang remote control siya. Naka-attach lang siya dun sa ring light. Ayan, it looks like this. Merong power button. Merong, ano ba to? Yung minus. Kasi, para mag-dim yung lights. Tapos, yung plus button para maging brighter. And then, meron din yung change of color. So, pwedeng warm. Yan. So, I'll turn it on. Ayan lang siya. Tapos, babawasan yung light. Nababawasan. Ayan. It's still on. Tapos, magiging brighter. Ayan. And then, you can also change it. Now, it's orange. So, cool tone, warm tone, tapos a mix of the cool and warm color. It's 950 pesos and I already have the tripod. Ito yung tripod. It came in this box. Kasama rin palang ganito yung ring light. Yung para sa phone, para ikabit niyo yung phone nyo. Kabit siyang ganyan. Tapos you can use your phone to film. What I do is I have another tripod for my camera since camera yung ginagamit ko. And, ayan, malaki na yung tripod ha. Kasi I'm using a tripod right now and I think it's about the same size. You can actually make this longer than it is now. Pero, yeah, I think it's like half the size of my tripod and I don't really mind. So, here on top, I didn't know this. Medyo nahirapan ako at first kasi akala ko may kulang na part. Pero on top, you need to put this up. Kasi actually, this one, ito, dito mo attach yung ring light. Kailangan ko pa siya itaob na ganito para lumabas yung ganyan. Ito, dito mo kasi kakabit yung ring light. Akala ko may natanggal na part, nagkulang, pero kailangan mo pala ibaba. Ito. Yan. So, meron siyang black. It's so loose nga eh. Feeling ko sira yung akin. Ito, dito mo, tatanggalin mo tong black. Ayan o. Nawala siya, diba? Kailangan mo itaob para lumabas ulit siya. Kahit i-tighten ko to, bumababa pa din ito. So, ayan siya. Oh, ayan o, bumababa pa din. Oh my gosh. So, kailangan paulit-ulit mo siyang ganunin. So, kailangan ilagay mo na yung ring light. Kasi, hindi talaga siya nagsistay. Eh, dito mo na ikakabit yung ring light. Ito yung tripod. It's until my hair. But, you can actually loosen this. Ito, yung second knob. I don't know if you can see it. Tapos, pwede siyang humaba. Ayan. Basta ayan. So, that's how it looks like. And, it's until here. So, pwede mo pa siya babaan. Ito natin yung pinakamataas. I'm not sure. Tapos, ikot ko lang to. So, yan. May ring light na kayo. Maliit lang. I wanted to buy a ring light so I could film at night since I'm usually in school until 6 p.m. So, late na ako nakakauwi. That's why I said I should buy a ring light. So, I'm gonna see if merong effect kapag ginamit ko yung ring light sa natural lighting. Oh, ayan siya. This is how it looks like on natural lighting. You can also, ayan, that's the warm toned. And then, yan naman yung mix ng white and orange color of light. I don't know what you call it. I forgot na yung mga terms. Pero ayan. See? I can't really see because I don't have my glasses on. Pero ayan yung lighting settings. And I think yun yung brightest. Yeah. Tapos, kapag hininaan natin, ayan. May light pa din. Tapos ito, kapag natural lighting lang. Okay. So, later, kapag late na, it's currently 5 p.m. So, may natural light pa din ako. I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's really dark or at night, I guess mga 8 p.m. Ganun. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lighting nito. This is how my lighting looks when the ring light is off. Ayan naman kapag on yung ring light. And then, we're gonna switch it up to the orange. Okay, sobrang orange na. Ayan naman kapag mixed. Okay. So, ayan. Yung normal. Here's the warm light. And then, here's the mixed. And ito, kapag walang light. Okay, so that's basically the difference. So basically, this ring light is 10 inches, 26 centimeters. It comes with both ring light and the stand for 950 pesos. But then their shipping fee, I think 120 if I'm not mistaken. To be exact, I paid 972 pesos. And by the way, yung store is Energy Supply sa Shopee, but I saw in Lazada, parang may bagong nag-post recently na around 850 ata, na same ring light and stand. So, just beware, cause I also search, syempre gusto ko nung pinakamura talaga. Pero may mga naglalagay sa parang title nila na ring light with tripod, but then nakikita ko sa reviews, yung na-receive nila wala palang tripod, as in yung ring light lang. So, beware na lang. Kasi, alam ko you can buy the ring light separately, and that would cost around 500, 400. Mura lang. And then, you can buy the tripod separately as well. But then, for me, binili ko lang both kasi baka magka-problems pa na hindi compatible yung screw ng tripod sa ring light, so I just bought them together. So I guess that is it. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below because I don't know what else to tell you. For someone who has a small room, 10 inches is a good size for me already. I don't know if you can attach a hot shoe so you can put the camera on the mismong ring light. Ako, nilalagay ko lang yung tripod ko, tapos yung ring light sa likod. Nakakatakot din kasi if lagay ko yung camera ko kasi nga hindi sturdy yung, what do you call this? Yung tripod ng ring light. So, yeah. So, ganyan yung setup ko. I sit there, I put a chair there. Dito ko nilalagay yung camera at yung ring light. So, I have a separate tripod for my camera. Nakakatakot kasi siya ilagay dito since medyo hindi sturdy yung tripod na to. So, okay na ako sa ganito. I'm gonna link all the links below. I'm gonna look for the Shopee link. Well, I have the Shopee link for where I got the ring light, and then yung Lazada link, titingnan ko if meron pa rin ako mahanap na cheaper than 950. But if not, for me, this is okay na. It's worth the price naman. Kahit it's not a 5-star rating for me, it's still something that is usable and it's not so bad. It's not a disappointment. Okay. So that is it for this video. I hope this helped you a lot. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below what else you want to see. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.